Alright, so basically, deaths right here, and it shows like deaths if you're like not having a fruit or anything like that. But if you do have a fruit, it shows lives. Or if you're having a quest or something, it shows lives. So basically, if it shows lives, then you can like die and stuff like that, permadeath. Like not permadeath, but like you can perma lose something. Like if you got a double fruit, if you got magma or something like that, and you died 3 times, then you know you're gonna lose your fruit. But that's it. That's all you lose. You don't lose nothing else. So all the people that say stuff like oh yeah, you're gonna lose everything if you die this many times. If you lose all your lives, you're done for. That's fake. You don't even have to worry about them. And then for deaths, you can just die how many times you want. You can die whenever you want. Like you're not gonna lose nothing. Like it's just a tally of how many deaths you got. So yeah. Alright, to get double fruits, you gotta like pick fruits like this off these trees and stuff like that. Just keep on clicking on them. And then if you get a fruit, then you get a fruit. If you don't, then you don't. Like it won't pop up, like it won't have any particles or anything whenever you get the fruit. So you just gotta keep on checking your inventory. You gotta press the key and then like right here, you can press that inventory. Like this button right here. Just press that and then you got inventory right here. See, look, double fruit. I already found one. This is rare. I don't know how I found one like this, but yeah, I found love. So yeah, that's how you find double fruits. Completely like easy. Like it's easy to find one, but no, it's not. Never mind. It's like a 0.25% chance. I don't know. Like I don't know. Maybe 2500ths of a chance. I don't know. But yeah, just keep on picking fruit and then eventually you'll find something. So good luck with that. Alright, so what you want to do is go from this island right here to that island all the way over there. That's where you can reset your fruit. So let me get the graphics down. And then you will just go forward. Alright, now that we're here, you gotta get off of the boat. You should remember this island from the tutorial. So hard to say that word for some reason, but yeah, you gotta talk to this big statue right over here. Press E, and it'll probably say something like, "Can I remove my dough fruit?" around there. And yeah, so that's how you remove your dough fruit. All right, this is the island where like Ray League is. Like you gotta go through here, wall right here. You gotta go right over here. I'm here to learn haki. What haki can I learn? You can't learn that. Heil, can't learn that. But buso, you can learn that. And how it works is where if you press this button right here, if you press shirt and accept a quest, all your bounties that you already have right now will go to 1k. If you have lower than 1k, then you can't do the quest. You have to get above 1k or 1k bounty. So once you get the quest, it's gonna reset it to 1k, and then you gotta farm yourself all the way up to 50k, come back to Ray League, and then you know you can accept the quest. But whenever you're farming the 50k, or whenever you're trying to get like, you know, bounty to 50k, you're bounty to 50k, you can't die more than 3 times. It only gives you 3 lives, so it's pretty hard to get bounty. Or, I mean, yeah, it's pretty hard to get bounty whenever you only have 3 lives. So try to pick some smart battles. Maybe it costs money now. I don't know. They changed it. Like I haven't gotten like even this whole location right over here. Like whenever I got buso, it was in a different place. They updated it, so they might have made it to where you have to pay money too. I don't think that's the case. So yeah. All right, to get wait a second. All right, to get items and stuff like that, or to get stronger, you gotta get items across the map. Dressrosa over here, I mean Alabasta right over here. They got weapons for you. They got the katana all the way over there. Cutlass, it's right over here. Like you got the cutlass right here. Let me show y'all where katana is. Like it's all the way in like, oh wait, gotta get my graphics up just a little bit. It's in that district over there. You gotta go all the way over there and get it. So yeah, that's where weapons are. You don't really need to go to any other islands to get it. I mean, there are flintlocks and stuff too, like seastone flintlocks, seastone swords. I don't know where they are now because I'm pretty sure they deleted those islands. I don't know. Because it's been a while since I've even needed to go get weapons. So just try and find that. But you probably won't even need it because, you know, not too many people are Logias. Well, I mean, a good amount of people are, but, you know, not many. So yeah, that's where the cutlass and katana are. And the flintlock, that's at Lemon Island, so that you can just like spawn there and then get that. There's also brass knuckles, which is like at the dock area, the dock spawn. That's where that is. So it's like right in front of your face, so you can't miss it. So there are a whole bunch of like weapons and stuff. Boxing gloves, I don't know where those are. Gotta ask somebody in the Discord. So yeah, whole bunch of weapons. Not too many, but you know, it's a good amount of weapons that you can get. And yeah, good luck finding them. Alright, to get money, you gotta pick up flowers like this. Yeah, just like go to this island over here. They got pretty good flower spawns. So you got flowers around them, like, you know, like at every island there should be like flowers that you can sell. And like Chopper, he's gonna get you good on that. So yeah, you just sell your stuff, and then once you can't sell them anymore, then that's that. Just get more flowers, sell it to Chopper, and then you only need just a few or just a little bit of money and stuff like that. So like it's not that hard to get money in this game. You can also kill people, get money from them. Like I'll probably drop some money if somebody were to kill me right now. And then you can if you're scared of losing it, you can just store it in the bank right over here, you know. So yeah, just, you know, try to get money like that. There's also a pickaxe that you can get in an island. If I ever have the, you know, effort to look for that, then I'll probably I'll probably like have a screenshot in the video right now. So yeah, you can just mine ores and stuff with the pickaxe. And yeah, all right, at this island over here you can get a pickaxe. Pickaxe right here, there's a cutlass right next to it. You just buy it like this. Now that you got your pickaxe, you can mine ores and stuff like that. But yeah, if you're into that, then, you know, that's for you. All right, how fruits work is like you would eat a fruit like this, like, you know, you got a love right here. As soon as you eat it, you would have all the abilities. You don't have to grind for levels or anything. It's gonna just give you it on the dot. It's not a grind game. So yeah, that's it. You don't gotta like, you know, like do anything for your move. So if you only have like one move, that's all you got. If you got like 4, then that's what you got. So yeah, there's no way to obtain more moves or anything like that, unless the developers update the game to where like your fruit gets a new move. Like that's all you got. So yeah.